I believe everyone would like to live a long, healthy life. Humans' expectations for health and longevity life have been documented in the Constitution thousands of years ago. About 2,000 years ago, Empire Qin even hoped to be immortal, searching everywhere for the elixir, but eventually passed away before reaching the age of 50. Of course, immortality is impossible, and the longest lifespan of a human being is only 120 years old. But with the current medical technology, it is still possible to live a long life. So, how can we live a long life? In 1945, scientist Dr. Harman coined that free radicals are the culprits of the aging. Based on his theory, free radicals in our cell being too active would damage the cell and eventually lead to aging. The antioxidant in the cell undergoes a chemical reaction to reduce the free radical activity. Conclusion is that increasing the body's antioxidant content will reduce the activity of free radicals, thereby slowing down cell damage. Finally, delay the aging process to keep us live a long, healthy life. Because of Dr. Harman's theory, people in general put an equal sign between antioxidant and longevity life. After a period of marketing campaign, antioxidant and the related products have been launched on the market one after the other since 1990. This antioxidant market boom because of the antioxidant that carries the reputation of longevity and staying young. In 2013, the global antioxidant supplement market was as high as $2.1 billion, and it will be reaching to $3.1 billion in 2021. Squalene primarily applied in antioxidant supplement and cosmetics. With effective marketing campaign, squalene become extremely popular in the market. Global antioxidant market is about $3.1. Why squalene only takes up about 7% of the market share? Let me bring this up to you right now. Where did squalene come from? Is low productivity affecting the market share? Squalene actually came from shark slaughter. Productivity not only unstable, and also lack of sustainability. Squalene can also be produced from olive oil extract. Unfortunately, carry only 0.4% of squalene. Number of refining process makes the cost be incompatible to animal-based squalene. In conclusion, the two primary production methods of squalene are not sustainable, and low productivity directly affects the market share of antioxidant supplements. Even though squalene is very popular, it cannot benefit most people because of the high on-shelf price. Fortunately, scientists continue to discover new methods to make the squalene mass production become more sustainable. In the meantime, scientists discovered strain microalgae is rich in squalene. This strain of microalgae is not only rich in squalene, but also rich in proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and other precious ingredients. This is the microalgae under the microscope. Some strain of microalgae can produce oil in 7 days. Unfortunately, high production cost does not allow mass production of microalgae. Yet, there's been a breakthrough in technology. This is GreenForce, which has won multinational patents. GreenForce brings microalgae cultivation through industrialization. GreenForce consists 2 parts: cultivation and harvest. The cultivation unit leveraging 3-step sterilizing technology to achieve optimal productivity. The system saves high labor costs through the Internet of Things (IoT), which makes production costs of squalene lower and more sustainable. The harvesting unit was built based on the patent dewatering technology. Spiral blades with special coating greatly reduce centrifugal force required for dewatering to achieve energy saving. Will rotate in the opposite direction when the hydration process is complete. After dewatering, the microalgae will hang on the wall of the unit. Wait for the harvesting system to collect in the compartment. This is microalgae after dewatering. Squalene can be extracted after squeezing and filtering. GreenForce not only able to mass production squalene, the system can be more effectively reduce the CO2 in the atmosphere during the cultivation to production of renewable squalene. GreenForce will solve the problems of low productivity and instability occurs in the previous mass production methods. The microalgae residue after extraction of squalene also contain various potent ingredients. These ingredients can be made into a health supplement after dehydration. Current global production of squalene is about 5 million kilograms per annum. Annually, about 300 sets of GreenForce can produce 1 million kilograms of squalene annually. It is about 1/5 of the global annual production. Systematic production of renewable squalene ensure high yield and stability. This not only allows squalene reach to an affordable price of general public. Our primary R&D base will be set up in Hong Kong, leveraging of low labor costs in Southeast Asia to mass produce and ship the end products all over the world. The profit will finally return to Hong Kong. Then the company will recruit world's top scientific research experts to improve production technology. In the initial stage of production, with 50 sets of greenhouse system, an annual output of 170,000 kilos of squalene, with a market value approximately $80 to $10 million. Investor can be better paid back their capital in 2 to 3 years. Our core team members are experts from different countries, including Hong Kong, the United States, and Thailand. Dr. Hong is the exclusive manager of this project. Dr. Hong was formerly the Green Cluster Manager of STP. Dr. Lau is the research manager of this project and was formerly senior scientist of California National Research Center. Mr. Chen is our marketing manager of this project. Mr. Chen was formerly the chief marketing director of Zurich Insurance for 14 years. Ms. Katie Ma is the industrial engineer of this project. She was senior engineer of Johnson Electric. Mr. Tony Chang is the mechanical engineer of this project. He was senior engineer of Johnson Electric. Dr. Asa is our chemistry consultant of this project and currently an assistant professor at University of California. Dr. Crickle is our system consultant of this project, current Intel senior system engineer. Dr. Gan is our Algo technology consultant for this project. He was senior R&D director of PTT Oil Company in Thailand. Dr. Tanakan is our Algo technology consultant for this project, currently an assistant professor in Chulalongkorn University, Thailand.